Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am doing a Zudio haul. I'm not sure whether you guys like my haul videos, especially the fashion haul video. I have recently uploaded a Colaba street shopping haul, but no one seemed to be watching that. No one seemed to be liking it. Not sure whether you guys like it or not. Do leave a comment in the comment section below whether you guys want me to post more videos or not, because it does take a lot of effort, you guys, to put on, shoot, and like edit, etc. If you guys don't want me to make such videos, I wouldn't make such videos. It's just as simple as that. Your wish is my command. I'm here to fulfill your wishes and your requests. So if that's something that you guys don't want, then I wouldn't post such videos. If this is the first time you guys are seeing me and my face, hi, I'm Rasika. I make content related beauty, fashion, lifestyle, vlog, skincare, makeup, etc. If that's something that interests you, then please do subscribe to my channel and be a part of this family. And also hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. But now further ado, let's quickly get into the video. So this is the things that I got, and there's not a lot. I just picked up few products because it was Sunday when I got it. It was so much of rush, you guys, in Zudio. People are just crazy. They're all over the place, especially the makeup section is full of people just testing out. They make such a mess. They even open up, they wrapped up the new product, and it's just a mess. I don't know why people do that. It's really very bad. So the first thing that I got is this pants. I really like this pants, you guys. I mean, it is for 8.99 or 7.99. I'm gonna pop up the price on the screen just for you guys. And this is the pant. I loved it so much. I wanted a baggy pant since a long time. I don't own even single baggy pants, and this is super high waisted. Of course, I'm going to try it on and insert a clip here or here just for your reference. And this is a full length, super high waisted. It has a buttoning detail in the front, and piche iske elastic here, so you guys, like, it gives a very good fit. There are like a lot of pockets going on. That's what it kind of makes it a very trendy and cute looking. It's very Gen Z vibe, I would say. And you guys can see it has pockets right here, it has pockets at the back, it also has one pocket here, one pair of pocket down. It's such a beautiful pant. I loved it. And do let me know how did you like this on me. I'm purposefully gonna put a short crop t-shirt, just like the one I'm wearing. You guys can see perfectly how high waisted it is. So that's my first pick. And the second is I got a night suit. You guys, they have very good collection of night suits. Every time you go, the cotton night suits, and they are so cheap as well. So I picked up this a very peppy pink color. I haven't even tried it on. I'm going to try it in front of you guys. A short, it's not too short. It's I think it will just come above your knee length, and it's pink in color. It's made up of full pastries and muffins. I think it's very cute. And it's cotton material. I think this entire thing was for 5.99. I think it's such a steal. Also, this pant was for 8.99, and I am in the size medium, which is 30. I didn't try it there because as I said, it was too crowded. So I just picked up. I know Zudio sizes, so I just picked up. Yeah, and this I picked up in the L size because for loungewear and night suits, I really like little large and oversized. You guys, let me know. Have you guys tried the Zudio makeup? I haven't tried. I kind of find it little gimmicky because they have so many products for such an affordable rate. I don't know how they do it. Like, for example, eye products and kajal and eye mascara and what all, they have it for 60-70 rupees. I don't know whether they are safe or not. There are a lot of Indian brands which are like quite affordable, decently priced, and we do have a complete range of ingredients and etc. So I think I would rather stick to those brands, but I'm not sure about Zudio as such. It could be better also. I haven't tried even a single makeup product from Zudio. I'm very skeptical. I don't want to buy just for the purpose of reviewing. And if I'm not going to use it, I'm not going to justify it. I wouldn't just buy any product like that. So you guys, let me know, have you guys tried any Zudio product, and is it worth it? Is it a good quality, or whether it gave you any reaction or whatever? And if you have tried, what all things are good from the entire makeup collection, do let me know. So that's that. Then I picked up two nail polishes, you guys. I picked up these two nail polish. They have this new range of gel polishes in Zudio. They did have a tester, so I picked up these two shades. This one is a brown shade, and this is a Cocoa N07. It's a very nice brown shade, and this is a very sort of a green, lemony green, kind of a mint green shade. And this is a gel lemon drop in the shade 01. This is the one, and this is the one I am wearing right now. I did wear it yesterday night, and it's okay. It's like a decent nail paint, nothing new. यहाँ से थोड़ा chip भी हो गया because I did some cooking and some chores, so यहाँ से थोड़ा chip हो गया. But they were priced for 79 each, and for 79 I think it's really good. Just a note, I always get a gel polish or an acrylic nails done from salons. Like for over like 2-3 years I've been constantly doing it so badly that I kind of ruined my nail bed. And now ऐसा हालत हो गया है कि acrylic nails मेरे nails पे टिकते ही नहीं है. They just come off, they just rip off. So I'm kind of taking a break from acrylic just for now, just for a couple of weeks. So I don't have anything, and I'm absolutely not used to not wearing any nail paints like with the bare nails. So that's the reason I kind of picked up these two shades, one a neutral shade and one a peppy shade. So I think I'm gonna keep these two shades so that I can like switch on, or I can put on these nail paints whenever I don't have an acrylic extensions. So that's that. And the last thing, slippers, which I'm like super excited. This is so, I really loved it, you guys. So this is the slipper that I got. It's huge, chunky, red slipper in the size 41, and you guys won't believe the price of this. This slipper is for 399, guys. This footwear is for 399. This can make up a good a statement slipper. Like you can wearing a white or a very subtle color, a nude color, and you're wearing a high-waisted jeans, a crop top, or you're wearing a shirt and a spaghetti top, or you're wearing a shorts which is like a neutral beige color, and you're just gonna like put on these slippers. It's gonna just elevate your look like to the next level with a red crossbody bag and a red slipper. That's the kind of look that I have in my mind. I'll probably style it soon. If I do, I'll definitely share it with you guys. I really wanted a black one, but they didn't have a black. They just had a peach color, I think a white and a red color. So I'll be looking out for constantly for a black shade. Definitely gonna purchase that one because you guys know beach में H&M ने ऐसा chunky footwear निकाला था. They just went viral, and I never got it because they always were priced like for 1400-1500 rupees. I just like, मैं कितना भी महंगा फुटवेयर क्यों ना खरीद लो, वो अल्टीमेटली खराब होना है और मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली उसको केयर नहीं कर सकती हूँ. सो आई डोंट वांट टू पुट लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन माय फुटवेयर. So that's that. I'm gonna insert a clip on how it looks on my feet as well, and the side. Please take a look at it. And that's about it. This was a very small mini haul, and I hope you guys liked it. This time they had a very good collection. Literally could have picked up many things, especially the crop tops were very nice. I really liked it, but unfortunately I was like time constrained, and I didn't want to just pick up which I'm not sure whether the size would fit or not. So I didn't buy it. If you guys can go in a weekday, then I would suggest please go and check it out. Zurich का एक छोटा सा problem है. I'll just let you know that it's from my personal experience is that they do like release a good new collection like every once in a while. I don't know पहले एक महीने में करते हैं, 2 महीने में करते हैं, I have no idea. But जब वो release करते हैं, the collection is very good, very trendy, and they're very size inclusive also. Double XL तक शायद ranges हैं. The sizes are not like for a petite people. It does fit. When they say XL, it does fit for an XL person. That's what I feel, because my family does come in a versatile size range. So that's the reason I know. So when they release a new collection, people immediately grab, and like 2-3 हफ्ते में वो out of stock हो जाता है. The only problem in Zudio is जब out of stock होता है, they never restock it. एक बार collection खत्म हो गया तो खत्म हो गया. Again, the next time you'll get a fresh stock, fresh collection, which is gonna be good, no doubt. But जो old stock था, वो अगर आपने तब नहीं लिया तो आपको वापस कभी मिलेगा नहीं. That's a bummer, I feel. If a product is running so fast, if you guys see a positive result, I think they should always restock it. That's one bummer. So that's the reason I grabbed this chunky footwear, even though I wanted a black color, but I was not sure whether I will be able to get hands on it or not. So that's the reason I immediately picked up. With that put out, I think we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. Please do let me in the comment section below whether you guys like my fashion haul videos or not. And if you haven't watched that Colaba haul, please, I will link it in the description box below. Go have a look at, and I'm sure that would be very helpful for you guys as well. And now I'll take off and I'll see you in the next video. So till then, take care and tada, bye bye.